This is a special show. It's called खाने में कौन है. और अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं खाने में कौन है, तो today's guest is entrepreneur, actor, style icon, and one of my favorite persons, Shilpa Shetty. And not only because she's an actress, but because she's opened a fabulous new restaurant called Blondie, and that's where we are eating. And we're going to meet her, chat with her, eat with her. So चलो खाने में कौन है देखते हैं.
Chef,
Yes.
tell me, what is the specials for today?
So we've got our vegan flawless
My favorite.
apple pie with Granny Smith apples.
Yeah. You know, we really underestimate this
The mango
dessert.
vanilla is a
It's killer. It's a hidden gem. We have to shove this into Kunal's face. Yeah. And what about the lines outside? What are we doing about those lines?
staying strong, and we are
Yeah.
staying strong for them.
Sorry, guys, whoever's waiting in the lines. My heart is with you, but let me assure you, the wait will be worth it. Yeah, the matcha.
The matcha, yes.
The matcha. Yum! This is my favorite. The mango matcha. Two matcha. Chefs,
Ravi chef.
killing it. क्या बात है. कमाल बेन्ने डोसा बनाना है आज. हाँ? कमाल. इम्प्रेस करना है मुझे आज.
Shilpa, cheers.
Cheers.
Listen, first of all, very important is that it is impossible to get a table here like all your restaurants.
That's a good problem to have.
It's
ना
a good
for
problem, no?
restaurateur के लिए तो अच्छा
But
problem.
how do you feel about running something where there are queues outside?
Whether it be from the point of view of a restaurateur or an artist, when there are queues
Yeah.
for something that you have made, whether it be a movie or in the hospitality business, there can't be a bigger compliment.
Yeah. So you need to see that houseful board outside.
Yeah, ये हाउसफुल है मेरे लिए.
Houseful board. Yeah.
ये मेरा प्लान भी था वैसे हॉस्पिटैलिटी, लेकिन प्लान है अभी भी अच्छा चल रहा है.
अच्छा चल रहा है क्या बुरा है?
लेकिन प्लान भी माइंड ब्लोइंग है.
But लेकिन I wanted to ask you about this. So it's restaurant business is something that you've become one of the biggest restaurateurs in the country, if I may say that. No, superb.
Would.
One would expect a Shetty to run a restaurant, but your family background is not of restauranting.
My mother's side was
Was?
into
Yeah.
restaurants, yes. My maternal grandfather had a very small Udupi restaurant,
Really?
yes, in town. And he never made any money. My grandmother always complained because he always wanted to use the most expensive produce. And he would go early morning and buy the most expensive chicken and
Ingredients
fish and
and all that.
ingredients. And he would sit at the galla but never make any money.
But people must have loved the place, that means. So there is a restaurant somewhere deep inside.
This is a great amalgam of Udupi meets,
Yeah.
a coffee shop.
But it's also a fallacy that everything from Bangalore is vegetarian.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Mangalore, hello,
Mangalore,
yeah, non-vegetarian.
Correct, absolutely.
Yeah, you would know.
Yeah,
You're a
and-
foodie.
Yeah, and we've traveled to Mangalore, we've traveled to Udupi, we've eaten the dosas, but we've also eaten the chicken and the fish. Yeah?
So it's a great marriage of bringing together old, those old-time flavors with a mix of modernity. So while you have the benne dosas and we've added the avocado, sliced avocado inside, or the traditional masala dosa we've kind of given it a twist with sweet potato
Wow.
masala. Yeah,
Wow,
which is
nice,
really
nice.
amazing.
So it can be like a masala dosa, but not
But
sweet
it's a
potato, sweet
yeah,
potato.
Sweet potato. We try to give it that healthy twist, but the benne on top, which is the white butter,
Is what it is.
it's healthy. At least that's what I tell my
Yes,
sister.
because I have had a couple of bere dosas in Bombay, Mumbai, and they are very sort of soaked in.
No, but this
ghee.
one's really
This one
nice,
is
and crispy, and you want that little bit of, you want to live.
You need that.
If you want to live life on the edge, you have to have the
But
dosas with benne.
like, I don't know how you do it, but I'm not doing it properly. I know.
लेकिन जो आप खाते हो जाता कहाँ है कुणाल? I've always been very intrigued. After all those years of
Eating.
because this is it. The proof is in the pudding. You are the pudding.
I'm. Like,
Pudding that you're eating with happiness.
I do.
तो लगता
I do.
नहीं है.
I do eat it with joy and happiness. I try to
Exactly.
control. I try to control quantities, but I eat everything.
Yeah, but that's wonderful.
Everything.
Even me, I'm
Yeah.
also like that.
But at some point, you must have gotten into a really sort of physical routine, no? To say, ki, I'm going to be yoga, or I'm going to do,
Yeah, I mean, I try to maintain that balance.
as an actress, you've got to be in shape.
We're in the beauty business,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're in the beauty business. Yes.
I've always had this very glamorous image which kind of precedes me.
Yeah.
But
And it continues.
yeah, touch
it
wood.
continues.
God's been very kind. But there is, I mean, you have to go beyond all of that. And I think for me, more than the body, it's about the mind. And that's something that I try to tell people that, your mind has to be more powerful than your body.
Correct.
So eat everything, but there has to be a sense of balance. And with anything in life, if you want to achieve greatness, it can only be achieved with balance.
And you've achieved films, of course, for years. You were one of the top stars, okay? Then you decided to go into reality television in the UK and you blasted that also. You did. You won that Big Brother thing. Don't you remember?
That was just for the lark.
But still, no, it's a medium, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
It's a medium.
TV has been a very, lucrative and a very lucky medium for me. It worked out very well, and the kind of love I receive from my audiences even today, I attribute it a lot to TV.
Because there was a time in the old days. I mean,
Yes.
I don't want to say old because
Okay, old age, you mean 90s?
90s when I was still old.
I was very young.
You were very young. There was a sort of thing that ke hum film star hai, hum TV pe kaam nahi karenge.
Yeah.
But Mr. Bachchan broke
But,
it,
yeah, exactly.
and you did that too, in a way.
Amit ji is a legend.
Yeah.
And I always believe in life, it's only the trendsetters that will be remembered. And he is
The trendsetter.
that for me.
Yeah.
And I think I must have been one of the first actresses to embrace TV, and I still do, because I really believe that you cannot underestimate those audiences, There is an audience that goes to watch you in the theatre and they pay money. And then there is an audience
You
gets
go to
to
their
see.
homes.
Yeah, you get
You get into their homes.
Exactly. And you become part of your, part of their family. And that is another kind of, I don't know, love that you get. So I'm very fortunate that people love me for who I am and not for the roles I have done.
Okay.
So, that's the way I look at it. So when people come
That's
and
very interesting. Huh?
Yeah.
It's very interestingly put.
Yeah.
That they like you for who you are, but not necessarily for
not
the roles.
necessarily just for the roles I've done on screen. So TV has given me that kind of love, because there is no pretense over there. You have to be you,
It is, no?
and they love you.
This is what I keep saying, is that it's a very honest medium.
Yes.
वो झूठ ऐसे पकड़ा जाता है टीवी पे.
और टीवी पे सब लोग वर्क नहीं करते.
हाँ.
मैं बहुत खुशनसीब समझती हूँ अपने आप को कि लोगों ने मुझे एक्सेप्ट किया टीवी पे, and and I honestly do TV as an ode to them, to my audiences.
To the
That
audiences,
this is for all the love.
But your audiences, I mean, even your first release was Bazigar, right?
Bazigar, yes.
And what a super duper bloody hit that film was. Huh?
It was a
God.
bastion.
It was a bastion. That's a very good segue. you talk about Bastion.
Yeah.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Venky's.
So at what point did you decide that I want to be a restaurateur?
It just happened so organically. It was really a side hustle.
Okay.
Raj and I would go to Bastion,
The Bandra one.
the Bandra one,
Okay.
and Ranjit, my partner, Ranjit Bindra, was the founder of Bastion.
Okay.
And we loved it as an eatery. And we loved going there and enjoying our desserts and, enjoying the food. And Raj knew Ranjit. And just as a matter of speaking, he was looking at obviously going forward with maybe an
Investing in-
investment.
yeah.
And that's where the topic began. And before you knew it, we invested in Bastion. And from one Bastion, now we have 6. So we're all over.
I'm so sorry. I had no idea. 6?
Yeah.
So where are the 6 Bastions?
So we have one in the flagship, which was the first
But-
one
the Bandra.
was Bandra.
Okay.
And then we have Dadar. Before that, we had Worli.
Worli, correct.
And then we have Inca, which is our Peruvian
Peruvian
Japanese
place, okay.
peninsula. It's at Peninsula. Blondie now.
Blondie.
And we're starting one more. Then we have one in Pune.
Pune.
And we're opening 2 in Goa. Did I get the math wrong? Is it more than 6?
Who cares? But there are lots of them. There are lots of them.
Yes, and we're opening one more, which is a secret. But that's an amazing, amazing brand under
Under the Bastion umbrella.
yes, under the umbrella of Bastion. Yes.
So did you always have a relationship with food?
Yes,
What is your sort of
always.
earliest food relationship? As a growing young girl.
My grandmother
Huh.
was an amazing. She was an exceptional cook,
Okay.
and the magic that she had in her hands with just the most simplest foods. I grew up a lot with her, so I
Okay.
also stayed with her for nearly a year
In
and a
Mumbai
half
only?
in Mumbai,
Yeah, okay.
in Mazgaon.
Oh, I grew up
Yeah.
in Mazgaon.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, weird.
I grew up. Where in Mazgaon? We must do this comparison. You remember?
No, I just know
You were
Mazgaon. I was
too
too
little.
young. I was very little.
Okay.
But I remember her cooking the most simplest, like the beans ki sabzi also. You know, Bangalorean food is very simple. It's all very steamed.
Yeah.
Cut the onions and the chili and cook it,
And coconut.
steam it, and just put coconut
Put
and a
on
chalk
top, yeah.
on top of it at the end of it all. And I still remember the taste of her Bella Tarai, which is coconut and good in the wet poha that she would make for me in the morning with a little bit of milk for breakfast.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, I mean, it was so simple with elaichi ka powder. So I think my love for food began from there. So I remember her making chicken and keeping those, the leg pieces and the those important pieces from all the cousins and then feeding it to me, shoving it in my mouth. So those memories, she made food a celebration.
Okay.
And for me, I think my love for food
Started
from there. And then when we wrote The Great Indian Diet with Luke,
Yes.
the second book after that, it was an ode to my grandmom. I decided, oh please, what
Yes.
timing?
Yeah, perfect.
Is it Tolgi Puri dosa?
This is
This is
the.
the chicken dosa.
Oh, this is the chicken dosa.
Yeah,
okay.
so please start. Eat while you're talking to me because
Yes,
you get
yes.
cold. I
No,
hate
I'm going to eat.
people eating cold food. हाँ लेके आ चलेगा.
Lao.
This is a prawn chesa.
This is the prawn
Prawn
dosa.
one, cup.
Okay.
Prawn techa.
Okay.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. You must taste this one. So one of my,
So we've got
yeah. हाँ,
3 dosas over here.
3 dosas.
Yeah.
Cookie dough, croissant bhi leke. And you want idli?
I don't know.
There's
I
a
mean,
lot.
There's a lot of food here.
Fork or knife?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but just to
So-
complete what you were saying.
Everything.
So you cook
I cook.
and you like cooking.
Yeah. I had my own YouTube channel also. And then
Okay.
during COVID, I just wanted to debunk the fact
Huh.
healthy food isn't
Tasty. Yeah.
You know, you don't necessarily have to put loads of oil and make the food spicy. Spices and making food spicy are totally two different things.
Yes.
So people misconstrue using spices in the right quantity and the taste of it not necessarily being spicy. So,
Yeah.
you know,
Correct. Yes.
and how
Thank
the
you.
balance of spices
Yeah.
are so important that एक वो तीखे के साथ you want the balance.
Yeah.
Everything in life is about balance.
It is.
You know, you need that little bit of sour with sweet, and then a little bit of saltiness and the spice. It all has to
Has to
be
come
like
properly.
balanced.
And it's just, as you said, spicy does not mean tikha.
No, it's not.
Okay,
Please.
we're going to discuss
Watch.
Blondie
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
But let's just discuss what is on the table. This is
Listen, I can't bear to eat food with a fork and knife when
Sure.
it's Indian. Sorry.
done. We shall
I'm
use our
sorry.
fingers.
Excuse my hands.
We shall use our fingers.
Yeah.
So this is a bene dosa.
Ah.
This one that I have in front of me has got
Chicken.
chicken in it, and there's hot. How did you decide that in Blondie, your menu? It's a cafe. It's a coffee and matcha cafe, but your food has croissants on one end, and you've got this very, very, very Indian food.
It's urpi. But
Soul
The
वही
urpi-
है ना?
soul wo hai. The idea was, if you were to go to an Urpi restaurant, everybody wants to go to an Urpi restaurant.
Absolutely.
A
Absolutely.
classy Urpi restaurant
So the truffle mushroom pocha naan.
That's good.
and feel like you're in Paris.
And I do. But
See?
you perfectly.
The timing of the croissant.
I think the timing of this whole show is going really well. Every time Shilpa opens her mouth and punches one line, food comes.
Yeah.
This chicken is extremely good.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Good.
I like the bene in the dosa. The crispiness is also superb. How much
There's
is
the
it?
chutneys.
Chutneys, yeah. Oh, lovely.
Tomato ki chutney. There is
Normal.
normal chutney, and that's the dal chutney.
Dal chutney. थोड़ा सा taste करते हैं. Okay. Now I'm going to try the
That's a prawn one.
prawn thesa. I love the way you just said, forget everything, we're going to use our fingers.
Yeah. Anna,
Hmm.
I want to taste. I'm doing quality control.
No, very good. For anybody who wants to look like her, remember, you can still eat. Correct?
You have to work out.
Yeah, correct. Which obviously I don't do, but
Not at all. थोड़ा सा treadmill.
I go for a walk sometimes,
Sometimes. Once in a year.
twice in a year.
Kunal, really?
I'm very bad here. But I'm going to start walking. I did a little bit of, when I was trying to lose some weight.
Why?
I said it was becoming too much. I had started put on a hell of a lot of weight.
Well, you have lost weight.
Nothing, I just started eating normally and started walking.
So is this normal eating or abnormal eating?
No, this is, at this time of the day, eating
This is drunch.
drunch. I like this drunch.
But Bastion is known for their drunches,
Of
you know
course,
that.
of course, yeah. No, but I was a regular at the Worli Bastion.
Ah,
Lunches and Sunday brunches.
brunches.
The other Bastion is concerned, I can't get a table, so
जिसे मेरे मुंह पे बेन्ने डोसा फेंक के मारा है.
Ravi, now I'm going to try this. This is
This is my, like if you have to cheat,
it.
you cheat on something that you will not get anywhere.
But you've been doing this Sunday
Yeah.
binge thing. Tell us about the Sunday binge.
You know, I started doing those Sunday binges because people thought I don't eat.
Okay.
And I'm like, you can eat everything in life as long as there is a discipline and there is a balance. I keep using the word balance again and again. So, only to prove to people that I eat, just for the laugh, I started doing these Sunday binges to show people that, listen, I'm eating. And I also work out.
And the proof is, as she said, in the pudding, and she's eating it. Okay, let's talk about Blondie. I know it's under the Bastion umbrella, but what was the thinking beyond the Udupi thing when you decided on the menu, on the look of the place, the idea of starting this?
You know, I have to give credit to Ranjit, my business partner.
Correct.
He's a maverick. And I'm so happy that I have joined hands with someone like Ranjit, where everything that he thinks for the brand comes from a place of heart and passion. And when it comes to food, money you will make. You know, that's
That is the byproduct.
yeah, that is the byproduct. But we are always trying to or striving to do something beyond that. You know, whether it be promoting maybe a farm in Chikmagalur, a coffee farm in Chikmagalur that's actually
Yes,
giving
yes.
us our special roast.
Yes.
Whether it be Blondie, for example, is run by an entire woman-led team.
Fabulous.
You know, whether it be wanting to encourage and put forward our staff and make them so confident, because you know hiring staff is the most difficult thing,
And retaining staff.
and retaining staff in this country, but also saying that service in our country is the best.
is the best. You know that. Even when you travel abroad.
Oh my God, it's
you know,
terrible abroad
especially
when I travel.
in the West. You'll get good service in Asia, but
Like,
in
yeah,
Europe, it's yeah.
like they're not interested.
They're not
But our staff at Bastion, that's our USP. You know,
That's true.
the service is on point and it comes from the heart. And we really practice and we take it very seriously. The whole
thing.
motto of Atiti Devo Bhava at Bastion is practiced and celebrated.
Yeah. No, but what you said just now is important, especially for Blondie, that you decided to go with a whole woman team.
Yeah.
So, a little bit about the team. What was your brief to them? How did you put them together?
I'm giving full credit to
Ranjit
Ranjit.
for doing that. Okay.
Everything. The way he thinks about things, you know. The next project,
And you're not going to tell us about it, but she's going to tell us about it. Bata dena.
I'm at the helm of things there,
Okay.
and you'll know why.
Okay.
But this one is Ranjo's baby, and I was very like, I was like, are you sure? But I knew from the minute go when he told me that he wanted to do the whole amalgam of old world meets new world, you know, with the traditional bene dosas and, you know, Udupi kind of
Coffee.
food. Yeah,
Coffee is
with
so South Indian.
matcha and coffee,
Yeah.
you know, served with a twist. I said this one's going to kill it,
Superb.
and it really has
It has.
killed it.
You-
There are still lines.
There is still line. There's still
I feel
line.
terrible.
No. She's
But when
feeling she's feeling terrible because we've occupied 2 tables
We occupied
and धंधा जा रहा है धंधा हमारे कारण
घाटा हो रहा है मुझे तो
घाटा इस इंटरव्यू
मेरे अंदर का शेट्टी जग गया है
गले पर बैठी थी अभी
Yeah, but taste this.
I'm going to try. This is
cold.
it's the cookie dough croissant. First of all,
And it's baked fresh over here.
and it's still hot.
It's hot.
Oh my god, it's full of chocolate. What is it? Oh my. Yeah.
Huh?
I'm sorry, man.
It's amazing.
I'm being a
huh?
pig. Yeah.
Taste this bit. Taste the cookie dough. Taste that.
And it's not only cookie dough, it's got
Just give me your reaction. बात है ना
बात है
बात है
इसमें अभी ये कौन सा है
ये सोचो आंखें बंद करके
हाँ
कि आप पेरिस में बैठे हो आप
ओके
सीधे ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाओगे पेरिस
ओके डन
So
I don't know what I'm doing with this. I'm tearing it into pieces.
it's a truffle cheese croissant.
Truffle cheese croissant.
अगर croissant बोलना नहीं आता तो प्रशांत बोल सकते हो
Prashant. Oh.
कैसे लगे आपको प्रशांत भाई साहब
What
ना?
a really nice strong truffle flavor.
ये
The problem is, अभी इसके बाद मुझे ये
Problem?
वापस खाना पड़ेगा.
प्रॉब्लम तो बाद में आएगी बात once on the
I mean,
lip forever on the hip.
I've made such a mess of myself.
अच्छा, by the way, I have eaten your full prawn dosa.
And I'm so happy for that. You know, when they see the owner eating his or her own food, is the best thing for a restaurant.
अच्छा बना है.
अच्छा बना है. So the show is called खाने में कौन है?
कौन है?
Because it's a takeoff from खाने में क्या है?
वाह,
Very intelligent takeoff. There.
दर्द थस.
So I know the rapid fires have become very famous and popular, but I have some really nice questions. If I ask
But you
you,
can keep the paper. You're not giving some taste.
I know, but it looks really bad if I look
What
so
rubbish.
unprofessional.
People love you and people love me also.
They do.
So they will tolerate us.
They will tolerate. Okay. First question.
Uh,
Blondie or Bastien?
Hey boy, why are you doing this, yeah? I'm going to take that paper away. In different menus. It's like asking me to choose for my children.
Two children.
not fair.
What about the newborn? The newborn can be your favorite for a little while.
No,
No?
because my older one will watch this show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is a question I've asked other people, and I need to ask you this because you look the way you do. What is your cheat meal? This is cheat, or this is
No, this is a
bindas
normal
kha
meal.
rahi hai?
This would be my cheat.
This would be the cookie dough croissant would
It's
be
a cheat meal. Yes.
the cookie dough croissant. It's
Croissant.
croissant. Yeah. Out of Raj and you, who eats more?
He used to eat more,
Okay. Now
but
you.
I eat depending on how much you work out and what your nutrition
What your body is telling you.
requires.
Yeah. And what your body tells you, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I honestly am not one of those people who believes in eating food every, the dietitians who say eat food every 1.5 hours, 2 hours. I'm like, I eat food when I'm hungry.
Yeah. But I can eat 1.5 hours, 2 hours every day and put on weight doing that. I don't know how I'll ever lose weight if I eat food every 1.5 hours. अभी बिरयानी खाते हैं, फिर कबाब खाते हैं, फिर what are you doing?
That's my reaction. And then
God.
they'll put it in slow-mo and they'll put that sound on it.
Are we doing that? I don't know.
Edit पे जाएगा.
Edit पे जाएगा ना. This is the iconic moment of the interview. Does Raj cook at all?
Raj is a very good cook actually.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's good.
He is a very good cook. His mint chutney is amazing and he even makes the best chicken tikka.
Really?
British born and bred.
That's their dish.
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka is their dish. They
Yeah,
created
and he
it,
makes the
isn't it?
best full English breakfast.
Breakfast? A full fry up.
Full fry up. And he presents it well also because back in the day, my father-in-law owned a restaurant.
In the UK?
Yeah, he owned a cafe
Oh, wow.
in the UK.
Okay.
And it used to be a breakfast place.
Okay.
And then the chef had an accident. So you know how difficult it is to get
To
chefs
find
and how
a chef,
expensive.
yeah.
So my husband was 19 at the time and he had to do all the fry-ups. That's when he ran away from London.
बस हो गया.
He told his father, he said, I can't handle this.
I cannot handle that. मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं
Summer
शिल्पा से
holidays.
शादी कर रहा हूँ और वापस रेस्टोरेंट खोल
He
रहा
was
हूँ.
very young. He decided, he said, ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. But he says, but the way my husband would present, like he is never happy.
The hash browns and baked
Yeah.
beans
He's
and
like, medium
bacon.
well is the way to go with his eggs. Even if he needs that white film on top of his
of the
egg.
yolk.
Yeah. He's very, very particular.
That's a talent, huh?
It's a talent.
That is
and
a
it's a very easy way to, get it. You literally have to put half a teaspoon of water and then shut the lid. And exactly 30 seconds later, you have to take it out.
It steams up and correct.
And on medium low gas.
Remember, these are
That's the trick.
important tips.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in minutes.
Come together with Drankies.
What is your, I know you have a busy life. So when you want to just, your time, like me time as this, and Shilpa time, what do you do?
I get a massage.
Oh, okay.
It's the best thing ever.
I've never got a massage in my life.
What?
Never.
Yeah?
I just get bored.
Yeah?
बैठे-बैठे करना क्या है? Never.
आपको नहीं करना है, आपको बस लेटना है, वो लोग करेंगे.
वो लोग करेंगे. I think I'm going to go for a massage.
You must.
Yeah.
It's
Never.
the most relaxing thing that you will experience.
And like full body, shoulders, back,
Yeah.
everything.
It's my poison.
It's you're treating yourself.
Yeah.
Out of all the films that we've done, is there a film that has a special place in your heart?
I mean, each film,
Oh,
for
don't
whatever
be
reason.
diplomatic
No, I'm
now.
not being diplomatic. Like, for example, my first film always will have that special, place because it gave me instant stardom.
Instant stardom.
Then there was a film I did, Meg Khiladi To Anadi, which was my
Of
second
course.
film. Shot me to fame.
It broke
Again.
the roof again.
Yeah, with Chura Ke Dil Mera. That's
Yes.
Then Dhadkan, Phir Milenge was again performance oriented. Dhadkan for its music and just the fact that I was flanked by two.
You know, while you're talking to me right now, I'm realizing you've done some super duper hit films of that early 2000 era, haven't you?
Yeah.
बहुत ही super successful फिल्में थी ये. You've been in the headlines for years now. You know? What is a headline you'd like to see yourself? I mean, what headline about yourself would you like to see, say, in the next 10 years?
Gosh, at the spur of the moment. Next 10 years?
हाँ कि मुझे ये देखनी है headline मेरे बारे में.
Bastion Hospitality is in the top 3 restaurants of the world.
Fantastic, but I don't think this should be 10 years later. This should
No,
be
I mean, that
3
will
years
be,
later.
that, yeah, this
be
will
3 years
happen
later.
3 years later.
Yeah.
Touch wood. See, power of
Why
manifestation.
10 years चाहिए? But good. Okay, let's talk about Big Brother, Big Boss. Better contestant, you or Shamita?
Shamita. She's done 3.
Yes, she has, yeah.
I'm like, मेरे से एक नहीं हो पाया सही से.
लेकिन एक से सही कैसे नहीं? आप तो जीते.
I did the international one.
Yeah,
I've even hosted the Indian one.
Yes, you have.
But to be part of the Indian Big Boss is very hard. So, yeah, it
I
requires
can
another
imagine.
skill set.
I can imagine. I can imagine.
Shamita aced it.
She's got the skill set to do it. Tolerance जरा ज़्यादा होगा.
Tolerance का पता नहीं. I think she's just a very interesting contestant.
Okay.
I'm very boring.
Really?
Yeah. Too boring.
Okay, we'll just take you on your word on that one. I don't think you're boring at all, but nice. Okay.
It's a mango vanilla cake.
You have to taste this.
So making chocolate bar.
Like this chocolate.
Flawless. And it's vegan.
It's flawless and it's vegan.
Yeah, taste it. Please.
Yeah, I know it's not a Sunday, but you can binge today. Oh, this is
Should
good.
I warm it for you?
I like cold.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan
So
of
some people like it warm.
No, I like this.
My sister likes it warm. Taste this.
This is mango,
Vanilla.
mango vanilla.
And it's mango vanilla sponge.
It's like air.
Yeah.
Huh?
Very light. Nice, no?
And very generous helping. I
Yeah.
must say, big wedge of quickly last couple of questions. Pilates or papad?
Pilates?
नहीं?
Yeah, papad.
हाँ? Bad
Japad,
question.
japad दूंगी मैं इस आंसर पे.
मैंने नहीं लिखे questions.
Pilates और papad. लिखने वाले ने अभी हाथ ऐसे रखा.
So Shilpa, thank you so much. We've had a great time. Lovely restaurant, great food, and that face that. Only my cheeks are so big that you can't make out what is happening.
So do it.
No, no, doesn't happen with me.
I think you should skip that part.
I will
इसको-
skip that part.
इसको edit कर दो.
Card डालो please. Eh?
But
Everybody is
too
now
much
doing
fun.
it.
Too much fun.
No, it's great fun. It's great fun chatting with you. I just love the way you transformed yourself into this entrepreneur, restaurateur, and with leading brands that we have in Mumbai and in India today, which is fabulous.
बहुत.
May God bless you, and may you have many more restaurants so we can eat greater food, talk to you again, and have some good fun with this.
Yes, yes, yes. Thanking God and Ranjit, my partner,
Yes.
who really has, been the reason behind the success as well. You can't, credit must go to people who deserve, and the entire team
Most
at
important-
Bastion Hospitality
most
who
important.
works so hard. Yes.
But I'm going to let you have the last word. How would you like to end this interview?
I think now you should shut up and bounce.
So ये थी
But on this parting note, I have to get you something.
Okay.
1 minute. Let's get you some merch.
Merch.
Yes.
कैप पहनूंगा, टी-शर्ट फिट नहीं होगा मुझे.
देखो मैं 90 से नहीं हूँ.
We'll flash some merch
देखो,
around.
लोगों को लगता है कि मैं टोपी नहीं पहना रही हूँ. This is the merch, isn't it cute, Mr. Macha?
Yes, and I believe this has gone completely viral at this
Yes.
point of time, hasn't it?
We've been sold
Mr.
out like
Macha.
3-4 times.
Crazy.
I'm giving you some things to take home. There's the pudi,
I love Pudi.
mulka
And
pudi.
this is the
And we've got you a t-shirt also.
It looks like it's my size.
Yes.
Which is rare to find. Let me just. Yeah. Dekho. And I saw a couple of your guys wearing this.
Yes. Sir,
And
इसको पहन के अंदर मत आना, उन लोगों को लगेगा कि आप वेटर हो.
order. I don't mind. If that way I can get entry into this place, so be it.
यार, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. Everybody knows your face.
No.
Huh?
Thank you, darling.
But
Thank you
lots
so much.
of love from all of us at Blondie, and hope you enjoyed the food. Only I have eaten.
No, I have eaten.
I have ordered all
eaten.
the food for him, and I have eaten it.
No, but great. This podi is also great.
Yeah, please take it home and put it
I will
on
put
your
it
dosa.
on my dosa and eat it with dal chawal also.
Yeah,
It
it's
tastes very good.
amazing. It really is. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में कौन है.
Cute. What a lovely show.
Not bad. Lovely. You were great. No, it makes a huge difference, the guest. No?
Really?
Yeah, because if we have...
खाना नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
No, please खाओ.
नहीं
मैं
यार.
भी खाने वाला हूँ थोड़ा सा. I really like this chocolate thing.
है ना? It's nice.
Yeah.
Very decadent and chewy.
On the fancy they're completely vegan. No dairy, no maida.
Ahmed Shah.
I can just put my finger in and just fish out like that. In the old days, Air India used to... I hope that we have a close-up of that.